right, so we got 8. The square root of 4 times b, b is 16. 4 times 16 is 64. 8 times 8 is 64. So the square root of 64 is 8. Go ahead, number 3. Notice I wrote extra big 0 so I could get an extra big donut. All right, so 5 times 0 is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. Number 4. Should get 2. K plus 5. K is a -1. -1 plus 5 is 4. And the square root of 4 is 2. Number 5. I was full from the last donut.
Oh, ha ha ha.
All right, so b is a -8, so we get -8 plus 8 is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. Number 6. Hopefully you got 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So we substitute 4 in 4p. I have to multiply before I add. I still follow PEMDAS. Even though it's underneath the radical or the square root, I still follow PEMDAS. So 18 times 4 is 72. Add, I get 81. Answer is 9. Number 7. hopefully, again, you get 9. 7 times b. b is 9. I multiply before I add. So I get 63 plus 18 is 81. 9 times 9 is 81. So the square root is 9. Number 8. Six times 6 is 36. So the square root of 36 is 6. Substitute your value in for y. Again, remember I multiply before I subtract. Now here I'm subtracting a negative, so I'm going to rewrite that as adding a positive. And then 36. Also, one thing to know is if you get a negative number, if you're doing a square root of a negative number, that's called an imaginary number. You're not going to have that in these problems. So if you get negative, you made a mistake. Okay, if you had a negative 36, don't think your answer is 6 or negative 6. It doesn't work that way. Okay, if you get a negative, you made a mistake. So do it again. All right, I'm going to give you 7 minutes. 7 minutes to work on X8, and then we're going to do the next set of notes. Go ahead.